In this video, I'm going to show you how to do text to speech on TikTok. If you've never done a text to speech on TikTok, then make sure you watch this video until the end, because at the end of it, you'll exactly know how you can. Now to add in a text to speech to your video, first of all, let's select a video, tap on the plus icon on the bottom, and then tap on upload to select the video. As you can see, I've selected a video. Now after that, you will land on the screen. Now you need to tap on this text option on the top right of the screen. Now you can type in any text that you want, and if I tap on the text again, it will give me a few options. You can see an option called text to speech. You can tap on that.
Hey!
And just like that, your text to speech has been added to your TikTok. That's it. That's how easily you can do the text to speech on TikTok. If you guys found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe. If you want more of these videos, then make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.